I'm just gonna run the code. This is the game with two crossovers. My bad, I have my retainers inside my mouth right now. So I'm gonna simulate it with two games with two crossovers with a 20% ROI. I put the sleeps in to make it seem like a real game, sort of. So it sleeps relatively long time, so I can explain the initial odds, and then zero point 0.2 seconds for each row. All right, I just took my retainers out, so you could probably hear me better. But yeah, I guess it's going to be relatively slow, uh, but might be fine for a simulation. This could take up a minute or two of our entire presentation, or even 3, 4 minutes, because I don't know, it's pretty useful and explains a lot anyway. People want to see this as opposed to like I don't know, us explaining our logit model or something. So yeah, we can slowly explain how the scores in the first column, well, second column, the time in each quarter, the quarter, like we can explain what's going on in the game. Like currently they're neck and neck, 32-36, 32-36, 38, someone just scored. Time's not going by that much, according to the scraper. Time just got updated a little bit. The odds are slowly changing, as you can see on the right side. Uh, yeah, the game is just progressing. We're at the second quarter, about 2 minutes, a minute until halftime, as you can see. The odds are not fluctuating more wildly. Someone's in plus 500 zone. Someone's in minus 300 zone, so they've clearly disparaged a decent amount. Bovada has given them decent odds. Third quarter, about 10 minutes in. Game's going, game's going. The odds are closing in a little bit, but nothing significant. Someone just shot to 600, I think. Oh, minus 600. Yeah, game's going. They're not even that far away. I think about 10 points off. Yeah, 59, 58, 69-ish, 60, 69, 70, 80. I don't know. 70, 66. Yeah, the game's close again. You can see the odds are compressing again. Yeah, the game is going. Interesting. It's relatively. We're in the fourth quarter now. Oh, we just hit a crossover. Super cool. ROI minimum secure at row 807. The Atlanta Hawks reached a crossover with their odds of 525. Make your bet above Bovada. Check your text messages. The game's continuing. Um, so we've already covered our initial ROI requirement, but we can always still make another bet in the other direction, assuming that. Oh, and look at that, we have it. Bet on the Brooklyn Nets. Bet $116, given that you've bet $100 on the Atlanta Hawks. Now, since both of these happened in the game, we know that the person has made 20% twice over, minimum 20% twice over. So